Again, this oil still working. This one, there's a little bit hot, so it's not completely this charged. So I'll try to repair this one. We put some soap, check this leak. So there is a leak this one. You can see there is bubble. After that, we'll put this gauge manifold. We'll take measurement this to look zero, less than zero. You see. So meaning to say, now it's less than 2 bar. 30 psi. 30 psi. Then we need to pump down this one. This is for the valve. So we need to pump down. We need to save the Freon, some remaining Freon. Put the front set. We'll take some tools here. I think it's number 4. Check this number 4. So first we close this possible close. We need to close this valve. See? And then we'll see what will happen. Take a look. So we need to close more. Okay, we'll close this one. So we'll it's going down. We open, going up. Okay. We'll close this. If we will close this one, take a look. So we'll close this one. So it's going down. Pressure for the suction. We pump down in. We'll open. And we will check the amperes, so this one only fan working, and this one only fan is working, fan is working, so that is new repair. So this one is 11, so meaning to say this is the breaker of this unit. So now I'm going to close a little bit. We'll see. We'll see what will happen. So we need to close this one. Close proper. See? Then we will see this. Okay. It's come down and down because I close this discharge line. So this Freon I will save here. This condenser. So now it's totally back. So we need to close now. See, it's going down now. So we need to close this breaker. We need to open. Okay. So now there is no power. So I'm going to close this suction. So by the way, there's no pressure now on the suction. So we need to close this one. You need to close until see, need to close. This is after pump down. Then we'll open this. Must be proper close, because if air issue, so hard. So we need to put vice grip. Okay, take a look. Just a little bit pressure. So it's going out. Let's see. So take a look. This is offset now. It's broken. You see. So we need to see. So that's why we need to cut another flare, make a new flare, this one. Okay, we need to cut this one. Block on the flare. So now I'm going to cut this one, the damaged parts of this pipe. Need to cut. Okay, it's done. So this flare nut is 5/8, using for the 5/8 pipes. This one. So we are going to try to change this one. No problem in this one or that one. Okay, I need to change only. Try to change. This is 5/8. This is the 5/8 flare. So we need to put this one. The flare big. So we need to adjust this one. So by the way, we need some this, and then after that put like this. See, you put like this, and we will see. We need to flare. Okay. Okay. So I'm trying to turn up set. So it's tight now. So meaning to say it's okay, there is no bubble. There's no bubble. Meaning to say it's good. So we need to vacuum now. Okay. So after 45 minutes done vacuum, then we need to open this one. We need to open this suction. So this is the suction. We have to open this bulb. It's a box set. Open. after that, we need to run. This is R22. It's so very hard only. Need to switch on this. See. Problem on this. Okay. So now this one. Okay. So now the indoor fan motor, it's working now because they're giving 1 ampere. You can see it's on now. So we have only to wait. The pressure is working now. Okay. It's working or not. So now it's working. It's working. You see the pressure. You see. So now it's going down 60. Okay, so I feel cool now, this action. You will see, you see how many amperes. Now it's 13.7 amperes, so it's going up. Good. So guys, it's done. Until 15 amperes this one. Maximum is 16. So minimum is 14, just like this. Because this is 30k BTU. So let it going now. Okay. So now I'm going to close all this one. I have to close. Done, guys. Completely. So okay. Now this is there is a pressure now, so we need to close. So it's done. Also this charge done already. Cannot see. Hello. Okay, guys, done.